In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly count the number of words and characters in your Canva document using a simple and efficient method. Whether you're finalizing a design project, crafting social media posts, or creating invitations, understanding the length of your text is crucial. Knowing your word and character count can inform decisions about layout, readability, and even the impact of your message. Let's begin by opening your Canva document, which is your first step. So head over to Canva and open the document where you've been working. It might be a presentation, a flyer, or any kind of graphic design project. Make sure your document is fully loaded because we're going to extract some information from it shortly. Once you're in your document, the next step is to select all the text. This can be done quite quickly with a simple keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and A simultaneously. If you're using a Mac, you would use Command and A instead. This combination selects all the text within your document, streamlining the process significantly. After all the text is selected, you'll want to copy it. To do that, press Ctrl and C at the same time, or Command and C if you're on a Mac. Now that you've copied your text, the next steps are straightforward. With your text copied, navigate your web browser to wordcounter.net. This website offers a simple, user-friendly interface that's tailored specifically for counting words and characters. Once the page is loaded, all you need to do is paste your copied text into the large text box provided on the website. To paste, click into the box and press Ctrl and V or Command and V if you're on a Mac. As soon as you paste your text, wordcounter.net gets to work automatically. It provides an immediate count of both words and characters. This automatic word count feature is quite handy as it saves you the time and hassle of manually counting what could be hundreds or even thousands of words. The word count is displayed at the top, making it immediately visible for your convenience. And that's it, you're done. With these simple steps, you now have an easy method to count words and characters in any Canva document. This technique is not only efficient, but can really save you time, allowing you to focus on the more creative aspects of your projects. Knowing these counts can help you fit within specific guidelines and optimize your content for its intended platform or audience.